Alright, so the other test we're going to do now is associated with the incline motor. We want to know whether the incline motor on this machine is okay or not. So I've disconnected it from the board. I'm just going to do my basic electrical tests now. So I've got three wires. I've got a white, a red and a black. The white by convention tends to be the common, and the red tends to be the up, and the black tends to be the down. This is an AC motor in here, and the AC motor is just this part here, and this is connected on a potentiometer through a little gearbox to a screw jack, which is this side. So as the motor turns through the gears, it turns the screw jack, and that jacks the front of the machine up, or it jacks it down, depending on whether you want to raise or lower. So if we wanted to raise, for example, we would be putting 220 volts mains voltage onto the common and the red, and onto this set of windings that happen to measure 102 ohms. I don't know whether 102 ohms is okay. It's relatively low, so that's okay, but I'm expecting it to be the same as the other set of windings, which is between the white and the black, which is also near enough, 102 ohms. That's 104. That's close enough. So the windings are okay. I'm going to check them to earth, make sure I've not got an earth fault. That's open circuit, and just check the others. Open circuit, and the last one, open circuit. So my incline motor is good to go. I know my MCB should be good, so let's plug that in. We've got the power on still at the moment, so let's be careful with that. And that's it. So what we'll do then, to do this test, I'm going to switch the machine off. Then we're going to plug it in, and the first thing the machine should do is zero itself, which means the incline should come down to the zero position. Put the power on, yeah. If it doesn't, drive it down, John, if you would. That's it. Okay, so now we're going to go down to the zero position. Ah, but wait, what's this? It's gone a little bit too far. If you look at the back end of the machine over there, can you see how the machine's now rocking? So the zero position on this machine is not set correctly, so whoever's changed this incline motor has not quite set the zero position correct. So we need to address that. So first thing we need to do is just raise the machine up. We need to get the tension off this, because this is all lock solid. So John, if you can just drive that up a little bit, let's just get that tension off. If you can't do it through the controls, of course, you can plug it in directly to the mains, make yourself up a little test lead, and then you can put 220 volts directly onto your wires for the incline and deliberately force it up. That's it, that'll do. And now we're just going to mechanically disconnect that, and we'll shoot a new video for that.